Hello everyone. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to upload all your math equations or characters or symbols, whatever you want to use for your questions and answers. It is a little tedious, it's a little time consuming, but it is easy to do once you start doing it. Like anything else, repetition always makes life easier. So first thing you're going to do after you title your page or whatever it may be, you're going to go ahead and write your answers down. So you go to Insert. Click Insert, scroll down to Equation. Once you hit Equations, a little box will pop up. All right, give you all these special characters here. Your operation characters, you have your multiplication, division, and product, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and then you have your fractions, your exponents, your brackets, your parentheses, okay, and so on and so forth. Absolute value. It's all right here, which you will need to answer your questions. You just got to press it one at a time. So let's just say you want to answer with a fraction, say 3/7. What you would do now is you would use your keypad, use the right arrow to go down to the denominator. Do not press down with the down arrow, because if you do that, it will get you out of the box, okay? So what you want to do is press the right arrow, and it'll go straight down to the denominator, okay? I suggest if you want to see your answers clearly, you should use a big font. Times New Roman, size 18 is good. If you use 12, as you see, it's very small. So go ahead and use size 18. If you want to go ahead and use an exponent or another answer, okay, you have to start over again. So you go back to pressing new equation, and let's say this time your answer is an exponent. Okay, so you click the XB symbol right here, and let's just say it's 20x squared. Okay, and how you would get the square part, you go back to your right arrow, on your keypad, press it, and of course the cursor will go up one, and you press how many exponents you need. If you need to add on more, you would press the right arrow again, and it'll go down for you. Okay. If you want to add 2 exponents, okay, you go back to it here, click it again. Let's just say it's going to be 10x right arrow power 2. Okay. Press down again, and then just start and do it again. So then you have y. Press right, 4. Hit it twice, gets you completely out of the box. Okay. Lastly, if you need any kind of special characters, you go back to Insert, scroll down to Special Characters, click it, and you will see all kinds of little special symbols right here, categories, arrows, everything else that you will need. If you don't want to search it, you can just simply type in the words. So we're going to look for less than, and you see the less than symbol is right here. You just simply click it, and it will appear. Okay. Like I said, it's a little time consuming, but everyone can do it. I know you guys can. If you cannot do it and you're really frustrated, that's no problem. Just you need to scan your homework. You can do it on paper. I just need you to scan your homework and upload the attachment to your Google Classroom. Okay, thank you.